All right, so for this project, you need your 9 by 12 inch piece of paper, you need a ruler, and you need a pencil. And so we are going to start by just lightly putting a mark 1 inch from the edge on both sides. And if your paper's not exactly 9 by 12, you might have to finagle it a little bit. That is up to you. I do not expect perfection, so it's all good. So I made 4 marks so that when I connect them, I will have a nice straight line, lightly, that is 1 inch from the edge. So now we have a thin bar across the top, a thin bar across the bottom, and a big bar across the middle. So now we are going to do our inch marks this way. So I need to make a mark 1 inch from this edge, there and there. I'm going to connect lightly, and I don't actually have to go corner to corner. I can just go line to line with this one. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing this way. And I'm actually going to make another inch and another inch. So it's 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches. I have 3 little lines. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. All right, so now I'm going to connect and connect and connect. Okay, now we're going to make this a tiny bit smaller. So our big box is good to go. Okay, I'm actually going to make this a 1/2 inch smaller this way and a 1/2 inch smaller this way, because then I will end up with a nice even box. Oh, I obviously measured something wrong there. I measured that one a little wrong. All right, so I'm just going to put this here. Connect, and now I'm going to erase all of this stuff. It is not necessary anymore. That's why we try to do things lightly. If you do it too hard, your lines are still going to show up, and it will not look as nice and crisp and clean as you are hoping for. Okay, still going, still going. All right, now we need this to become a value bar. Okay, so if we measure it, it should be about 6 inches. So to get a 6-box value bar, we just need to make a mark at every 1 inch on both sides. Remember, I'm not looking for perfection, but if you have one box that's way bigger than the others, something probably went horribly wrong. All right. So now I should have 6 1 by 1 inch boxes that I can do my value bars in. All right. And it looks like I got a little crooked there, so I will have to go back and fix that. But now, this is for your value bars. So if you're doing pointillism, scribble shading, cross hatching, it's up to you for this. Depends on which project you're doing this for. And then over here is where your picture is going to go. So it could go like this, it could go like this, it could go like this. It's up to you. Now, to this box right here, you can easily put a grid in because it should measure about 8 inches by about 7. So if you did like 1 inch boxes by 1 inch boxes, it should all even out. But you're going to have to do the math for that, for how it works for your picture. But so there you have it. There are the easy peasy measurements for your value project layout.